Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and today we are going to show you all how to make pancake. Before that, let me introduce my members. This is Amran, Surya, Teddy, Habibie, and Albi. So let's just move to the tutorial. What we need to make a pancake is an egg, 100 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 120 grams flour, salt, vanilla extract is an optional, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil or melted butter. And the tools we need is a pan, spatula, a bowl, and a spoon or mixer. The first step to make pancake is to crack an egg and add 100 milliliters of milk and mix them up. Second step is to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 120 grams flour, some salt, vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Beat until all the dough is mixed well and there are no lumps of flour. Third step, just add 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil or melted butter and stir well. Fourth step, we have to move to the kitchen and turn on the stove on low heat. Put the pancake batter into the pan and wait until the top dough starts to dry. Then flip the pancake to the other side and wait until the pancake is dried perfectly. Repeat the 5 steps until all the dough runs out.
Guys, wow, udah mati. Gagal rupanya, guys.
Finally, you can add any toppings you want into your pancake or just enjoy it with your tea. Then your pancake is ready to serve.
Nice.
And that's how we Group 3 make pancakes. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your pancakes and have a nice day.